Hi, welcome to 40 Fridays of Fundamental Science Experiments with Rohini. Life keeps changing on Earth, and life change is natural. Remember, man evolved from monkeys. But during Darwin's time, there was no proof of life changing and the process being natural. It is said that Darwin and another scientist, Alfred Russel Wallace, came up with the idea of natural selection at the same time but independently. And both of them are supposed to have been influenced by a book written in 1797 by Malthus and which was titled On the Principles of Population. Malthus in the book says that the policies to help the poor never see the light of the day because the population is continuously increasing and there is increased pressure of the increasing population. Russel Wallace and Darwin are supposed to have thought that this pressure of increasing population should be true to all living beings on earth, to animals and all other insects and all other living beings on earth. They said that uh, in spite of the population increasing so much, the insects do not rule the earth or they do not cover every centimeter of the earth because not all animals can reproduce to their complete potential. And why does this happen? Because some of them naturally die due to drought or bad climatic conditions or scarcity of food and things like that. So those who survive and those who can establish their existence are the ones that get to mate. And who survives? The animals that have some genetic trait or some characteristic feature which can help them survive or adapt to that environment at that particular point of time will be the one to survive. So what happens each time the animal that survived gets to mate, it will pass on that trait to its children. And naturally, over a period of time, that trait gets established in the population. That is how certain characteristics get chosen over the others and they establish themselves in the population. This is the natural selection theory which was put forward by Darwin and Russel Wallace, independently, of course, but at the same time. And then Darwin went on to publish his book on the origin of species, which became more than popular, and we can still find it. And it is one of the best books if you want to start reading about evolution. And Russel Wallace is supposed to have continued his work on biogeography. Two people inspired by the same book and came up with the same idea. A happy coincidence. Thank you.